Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix a MacBook Air that powers on but has no display. All right, let's begin. First, shut down your MacBook completely. Then hold the Command key, the Control key, and the power button together until the screen goes blank and the MacBook restarts. If it doesn't work the first time, try repeating the process a couple more times. Next, you can reset the PRAM or NVRAM. Turn on your MacBook and immediately hold the Option, Command, P, and R keys together. Keep holding them until you hear the startup sound or see the Mac restart again. For Intel-based Macs, another method is to hold the right Shift key, left Option key, and left Control key for 10 seconds. Then continue holding those keys while also pressing the power button for another 10 seconds. If none of these methods work, you may need to disconnect and reconnect the MacBook battery or take it to an Apple repair center. So that's basically how you can fix a MacBook Air that powers on but has no display. That's it for this video. Thanks.